Today let's look at retargeting ads. Retargeting ads are the simplest and easiest way to showcase your products to reoccurring visitors on your site. It is a long-term business plan used to target people who are already aware of your brand to begin with. So for starters, let's look at Facebook retargeting. So first of all, here are some really useful tips for Facebook retargeting. Keep at least one retargeting campaign live at all times. This will give you live information to help future campaigns. Test several high-value retargeting audiences. You want to narrow it down as much as you can. Ensure that your message is strong and the marketing funnel match. This will make sure that your ad post has a clear motive. Set up dynamic remarketing ads. Include special offers for remarketing audiences. Do not segment your audiences too much. Exclude people who are already converted, and keep your eye on ad frequency. Now let's look at different types of Facebook remarketing. First, we've got video remarketing. Now, video is becoming more and more important online due to its growing number of users. It's especially important to see how it can work with your style of campaigns as well. Then we have remarketing based on interaction with Facebook or Instagram pages. Most of the traffic generated on your social networks is directed to your own branded page. Therefore, it's important to use this traffic as one more option within the remarketing strategy. Then we have remarketing with dynamic ads. This remarketing option on Instagram and Facebook is interesting because it is simply the most efficient. Dynamic ads integrate our product catalog in a real time and achieve a much higher conversion rate. For advertisers with their own e-commerce, we recommend integrating Facebook ads with their product catalog feed. And then we have remarketing based on lead generation ads. So lead generation ads on Facebook will allow you to capture leads from the social network itself, without the need of the user to visit your page. And with the remarketing option, you can directly incorporate those recruited users into your audience to continue working on your relationship with them. Now let's go into YouTube retargeting. So here's a list of types of YouTube remarketing. If you viewed any video from a channel, viewed certain videos, viewed any kind of video as an ad from a channel, viewed certain videos as ads, subscribed to a channel, visited a channel page, liked any video from a channel, added any video from a channel to a playlist, commented on any video from a channel, or shared any video from a channel. Now the best practices for YouTube remarketing. So we have various ad formats. We can use video formats and other creative forms like text and images and rich media ads. We have various specs for mobile, so using square or vertical videos to engage for mobile customers on the YouTube app. We can create one audience for all YouTube audiences. This is useful to see the total number of users on all audiences related to YouTube. Consider audience size when creating the number of lists. Naming convention. Name your audiences the same as listed by YouTube. Customize audiences. You can customize your audiences by mixing and matching your remarketing lists. For example, you can target audiences who viewed a video ad but have not yet viewed your channel. You can use reports. You can optimize your remarketing campaign based on performance metrics. For example, raising bids on specific topic channels that perform the best. Video remarketing with YouTube can also help with your performance thanks to the statistics it provides through YouTube Analytics. You can also run Google Analytics on your YouTube channel. Now let's talk about Google retargeting. Pixel-based retargeting allows your website to display ads to any user after they've left your website, whether or not they've left any contact information. The main benefit of these ads is that Google Ads can display very specific ads based on a particular page or product that user was visiting. Next, we have list-based retargeting ads. List-based retargeting ad uses a list of email addresses that you provide or gather through your website as the ad audience. Because this strategy is based on information already collected, as well as online behavior traits, list-based retargeting allows your business to present highly customized and controlled ads. Though it's important to remember that users must voluntarily submit their information for these campaigns, and the information cannot be purchased or shared by any third parties. People have to accept the cookies, notifications, and email list. So how do I set up a retargeting campaign in Google AdWords? First of all, you sign into your Google AdWords account, you open your shared library option, click Audiences, do Setup Remarketing, click View AdWords tag for the websites, select and copy the provided remarketing tag code. The tag code will work both mobile and desktop. Place the tag code at the bottom of the website pages you want to use your campaign. Save and publish your page. Use Google Tag Assist to check if your tag is working properly. Click Continue, then click to return to audiences, and you're done. Next will be setting up your PPC for your Google Ads. Organize your keywords into ad groups and campaigns. Then write relevant PPC ads that will entice Google users to click. Well-organized PPC campaigns are key to your success. A high click-through rate improves your quality score, which raises your ad rankings and lowers your advertising costs. So it's worth a while spending a lot of time writing strong ad copy to make sure you've got it all correct. Google chooses which ads to be displayed and each ad's position based on factors including a quality score, a measure of relevance to the ad, primarily determined through click-through rate or CTR, and the advertiser's bid or how much they're willing to pay for each ad clicks. This whole system functions very similarly to an auction. You can choose between an array of ad formats, including text ads, image ads, mobile ads, and video ads. Target your ads to ensure that they reach the right specific audience of your choice. The Topics Targeting feature enables you to place your ads on websites related to your chosen topics. There are a selection of pre-made ads that you can choose and customize, or you can choose to build your own ads from scratch. The automatic bidding tool automatically sets the budget on your ads for you. The budget is set to ensure your ad achieves the maximum number of clicks for the lowest cost. Reach and frequency reporting allows you to track and measure your ad's performance and enables you to discover how many people your ad reached and how many people clicked it. Have a question? Enter it in the comments below, or feel free to visit our website.